This website is arguably going to be your Bible in your life doing cryptocurrency investing. Okay, coinmarketcap.com lists all of the cryptocurrencies available for you to buy now. So let me give you a little bit of an overview of this because you need to get comfortable. You need to understand what you are looking at. Okay, so first of all, the most obvious thing you will see is that the cryptocurrencies, the main cryptocurrencies, are listed. The first time you go to CoinMarketCap, you will see that it will show the first 100 cryptocurrencies. Now, how these cryptocurrencies are classed on CoinMarketCap is based on its market cap value. Okay, what does market cap mean, you may say? Well, market cap is what is the overall value of this cryptocurrency? How much is it worth? So if it was a business and you wanted to buy it, how much is that cryptocurrency worth? That is the market cap. So let's use Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the number one currency, and I'll tell you more about that in a bit. But it is worth $130 billion. Now, how do they come to this sum? Well, basically, the price per Bitcoin at the moment is $7,650. Now, that is times by the circulating supply. So there's 21 million that's going to be mined eventually. That's the maximum amount that there will ever be. But at the moment, in circulation is 17 million. So 7,000 per Bitcoin times 17 million circulating supply is how you arrive at the market cap. And that calculation is basically continued with every cryptocurrency, so you can see how much it's worth. Now, as you can see, Bitcoin is way above everything else. 130 billion. The next is Ethereum, which is 60 billion. So around about less than half the value of Bitcoin. All right, so that is what you will see first of all. And if you wanted to see all of them, you just simply go to View All. If you want to see what's the cryptocurrency all about, you will click into the cryptocurrency. So in this instance, I'm going to click into Ethereum. It will give you some details about it. It will show you some of the vital stats, how much it's worth, how much volume has been traded, and what the supply is. But if you wanted to find out more about it, you just go to the website. This is how you do your research. Okay, this is how you find out about cryptocurrencies and find out, is this something I want to get invested in? Now, when you look at the website, it should tell you everything it's about, what it's used for. So in the case of Ethereum, it's used to build unstoppable applications, decentralized applications. Now, Ethereum is the second most valuable cryptocurrency because it was the first project that allowed developers to create applications. So therefore, this is the second most valuable. This is like the original. Okay, so that's how you find out about what a cryptocurrency is. So going back, again, we go to this front screen. If you want to see all of the different cryptocurrencies, you literally just go to View All, and it will display all 1,651 cryptocurrencies to you. All right, so at the top here, you've got the vital stats. There's 1,651 cryptocurrencies. There are 11,000 markets. The market cap at the moment is $342 billion. Now, the market cap is the overall general health of cryptocurrency. This is where you can see the value of the entire market. So it's basically everything added together. Bitcoin plus Ethereum plus Ripple plus the other 1,600. And that's how you come to this valuation. The 24-hour volume means how much in dollars has been traded in cryptocurrency. So as you can see, $14 billion has been traded in the last 24 hours. $14 billion. And the Bitcoin dominance, this means how much of a percentage of market share does Bitcoin have compared to the rest of the market? So Bitcoin has nearly 40% of the entire market share. So out of 1,600 cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin still has 40% of the entire apple or pie, I suppose.